Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll talk about Microsoft Excel. As I have been getting a lot of requests from your side to create a video series on Microsoft Excel, including basics of Excel and advanced Excel. So what is Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze numerical data. An Excel worksheet is a collection of rows and columns that form a table, right? So let's get into the practical stuff. So these are the topic I'm going to cover today. So here, this is my Excel workbook. The entire frame you can see this is workbook, what we call Excel file, and it is comprising of sheets. So these are the sheet objects and sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. Even you can add more sheet as per your will, more sheet, and you can change sheet name as well, like data sheet. Click it here and write data sheet. Now you can change the position as well. You can bring it to the last and even can bring it just before that, right? So let me select the sheet 1 then. This is spreadsheet. So these are the columns which is alphabetically arranged, and these are the rows which is numerically arranged, and these small rectangle shape is cell. A spreadsheet is comprising of rows and columns in the form of table, and the cell which is inside it, this is a small rectangle shaped cell. Now, if you look at Excel files, so you'll see file, home, and insert, page layout, formula, data, and so on. These are the menus. So I'll talk about in later videos each one of them in detail. So let me show you how to copy and paste some data, right? Suppose I want to copy this. So there are two ways. One is you can right click and copy and then paste it here. Alternatively, what you can do, you can select it and you can use shortcut keys like Control C and Control V anywhere. You can copy and paste it here. Even you can paste it any other sheet like here, and it remains in clipboard. I can paste it here unless I use escape. Once I use escape, so I won't be able to paste it again because I have already used escape. It remains in clipboard, right? Let me write something here. Maybe I can write ID, month, and now you can see this month, ID, month. Suppose I want to put ID name is 1 and then 2. So if I want to have maybe more ID, so I can drag it and it will be incremented by 1. So you can see. So how to drag it? You can hold your mouse, you can drag it and double click here, right? Suppose I want to remove these values, so I can right click and I can select clear contents. So suppose I want to put month name like January. If I want to write February in place of ID2, so even I can drag it here. You can double click here. So month name will be added automatically by series. And for day, say for example, you write Sunday and you don't want to write anything after that, so you can drag it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it will write it. It's for you. So these are the auto features of Excel. Suppose I want to expand this column, so you can expand it as per your. If you double click, so it will take its length. This is the heading. If I want to format this heading with the color, the font color, so you can use font color. I'll use white font color and back color. If I use maybe black color, so you can use. If you want to make it bold, so you can make it bold by clicking here. So you can make it italic, and you can, if you want to underline it, you can click here U So the header will be underlined. Now if you want to change the font family, so you can use maybe Arial or black, so you can use it as per your will. If you want to increase the font size, so you can select it. You want to have one more heading, that is a common heading, so on top of it, so what you can do, you can right click here, you can select whole rows and then right click and insert. So one more rows will be inserted here, and now you can create a common heading for it. So all you need to do, you have to go to menu, home, and then click on merge and center. So if you click here merge and center, so these three cell will be merged in one cell. So now I can put heading like Excel. So now you can see. You can change the color, back color. Suppose I am writing long word here like welcome to Excel tutorial. Now you can see this text, it's going beyond that cell limit, cell size. So we can wrap it up, right? So all you need to do, you have to go to home and click on wrap text. So it will be wrapped within that cell. If you don't want to wrap it, so you can click again, click it. And finally, I'll save this file by clicking file here. So before that, I want to tell you one thing. The extension of this Excel file should be .xlsx. .xlsx, right? You can see employee sample data .xlsx. So if I want to save it here and I want to save as, you can save it, so it will be saved with the same name. If you want to change the name, so you can click on save as and you can select the location where you want to save this file, and now you can change the file name as well. I can put only excel tutorial.xlsx and change the extension as well as per your will. So this is macro enabled xlsm file, so it has .xlsm extension, and for binary file .xlsb, and for old excel file 97 to 2003 is .xls. For comma separated file, the extension is .csv. So since I am working in simple excel file, so I'll keep it .xlsx and then save it. The moment I save it, so you can see new name excel tutorial.xlsx. So I'll keep this video till this point. In next video, I'll talk more about Excel. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.